Yeah, good day. You're welcome to this broadcast. You're welcome. Okay, so let me talk briefly on faith that works. In this season, we have been talking on faith, and faith that works is a faith that has action. You remember the first law of motion in physics. The first law of motion it says that law that an object will continue to remain in its state of rest until an external force comes and acts on it. So your faith will continue to remain in its state of rest. You know God can do all things, but there are some issues in your life that are supposed to roll away or supposed to move forward, but they are not moving forwards. They are not moving forward. So what do? You put action. That action that you are putting to your faith is what will make it to work. That's what is called a kinetic faith. You remember kinetic energy? It's a dormant faith. Let not your faith be dormant in this season. You have prayed, you have fasted, you have given, but what will make that thing to work, that project to work, it's for you to put action. Put action. Once you put action, heaven will begin to back you. If you don't put action, heaven will not respond. Remember, what you bind on earth is what will be bound on in heaven. So once you know that that project is the will of God for your life, and you are sure that this is the timing, yes, you are sure that this is the timing, then you go ahead and start off. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. Begin with a step in that project. For example, now, even if it's, let me say, if it's a sickness that is in your body, you have prayed, different men of God laid hand on you, they have prophesied to you, and nothing is changing. What do? If you believe that God has healed you, you have to start putting action. Do what you cannot do before. You remember, see, a healing evangelist, after he has prayed for you, he will tell you, do what you couldn't do before. That is to put action to your faith. Yes. He knows that you have believed. But for you, for heaven to be sure that you have believed, you put action. Once you put action, then your faith will now begin to will have that kinetic energy. Hallelujah. Remember, energy can never be created nor destroyed, but will be converted from one form to another. Hallelujah. So that dormant energy that you have, that dormant faith that you have, once you put an energy, when you convert it to kinetic energy, that's the energy that can move it. It will, once it starts moving, yes, that's when heaven will now come and join you in that project, and you start moving. That is the way things work. That is the way faith works. But in other things, that in other project, maybe it's not your head. Hallelujah. It's not your head. You have to inquire. But you don't need to inquire all the time. Like in every situation, like I told you, if it's in a case of your health, God's willing for you is to be healthy. If in a case of prosperity, the time is now. If a case of deliverance, your deliverance has been done already. It's ignorance that is keeping you down. You have to take up that take up action. Yes, take up action. Then you need to, there's a legal aspect of our deliverance. There's a legal aspect of our dominion. There's a legal aspect of our inheritance. But there's an experiential part. That experiential part is for you now to begin to experience it. So if you are not experiencing it, it's still in the dormant side of faith. So if you begin to put action, then you are now beginning to experience it. Hallelujah. So when you put action, many a times, it might not work the first time. You put action again. You keep putting action. You keep doing it. Keep trying. You are not trying for you to fail. You are trying to succeed. Yes. Hallelujah. So that is how things work in this kingdom. Hallelujah. So thank you for being part of this program. Um, like and comment on our channel. Follow us if you are not following us, so that you can be getting update. Click the update button, the so that you continue to get updates when we post content or when we come online. God bless you. My name is Pastor Doka. I'm a pastor at Grace Fruit Christian Center, Abuja, Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you. You're welcome.